Welcome to the channel. Let's learn how to blend text. Please like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Go to Text Tool or press T for shortcut. You can choose any bulky font. Write your text. Adjust it. Go to FX and drag the left slider a little, and then press Alt and click on the slider tip to break it and drag it again. Now drag the other slider too a little. Now your effect is ready. Let's give it drop shadow to make it more blend. Opacity 100, distance 4, spread 38. Thanks for watching.